Welcome to Module 3 and Week 3 of Economics 101, Principles of Microeconomics for Thomas More College. In this video, we'll give a brief description of what the module is about, the big ideas and learning objectives for this week's module, and the graded work that you should expect to turn in for this module. The big idea about this module is about deepening your analytical toolkit. We'll explore three more elasticities: price elasticity of supply, income elasticity of demand, and cross-price elasticity of demand. We'll also explore welfare analysis. This is a method of measuring the value of a market. That is, the value of a market to consumers, the value of a market to producers, and explore whether we can measure any efficiency losses that might occur in that market under certain circumstances. Finally, we'll do a brief introduction to consumer theory with a focus on something called the utility maximization rule. This is a basic rule that a consumer would follow if they want to make themselves as best off as possible. The big ideas in Module 3 are big idea number 3, how much an agent responds to incentives has important implications for efficiency. We'll use elasticity to describe how consumers respond to a change in income or a change in the price of another good. We'll also use elasticity to describe how producers respond to changes in price. We also have big idea number 4 in this week's module. A rational individual's objective is to maximize well-being, which is measured using the concept of utility in economics. That occurs when the marginal benefit of something is equal to its marginal cost. By the end of this week, you should be able to describe, using calculations as appropriate, that a consumer maximizes their well-being by consuming where marginal benefit is equal to marginal cost. Another way of restating this is that a rational consumer would consume the combination of goods where the marginal utility per dollar spent is the same for all of the goods consumed. For Module 3.1, you have 2 content engagements. For 3.2, you also have 2 content engagements. You have a content engagement for 3.3, a discussion question, and a homework assignment for Module 3.4. Before you begin those, however, make sure you complete the review and reflect on Quiz 2. At the end of the week, you will demonstrate that you understand the material by your performance on Quiz 2.